Hi, I'm Sophie, your go-to pro for surface protection. Thank you for joining me to learn about installing Overwrap. Overwrap is very breathable. However, with some finishes, like polished concrete, the tape application creates ghosting of the tape in the concrete. Here at Overwrap, we have created a solution. Overwrap Synthetic Surface Protection is a floating protection system that does not require any adhesive contact with the floor, and it's easily rolled, folded, or moved from one area to another. All three weights of Overwrap follow the same installation methods and are very easy to cut and install with one of these concealed blade safety knives. Overwrap is compatible with most tapes. However, as a rule, we recommend painter's tape for the perimeter of installations wherever adhering to baseboard or finish. Use Overwrap tapes, SST, or MVP for commercial performance on the seams. Overwrap SST is a non-breathable tape, optimized for commercial applications. If SST is not available in your market, painter's tape is a suitable substitute. Overwrap MVP tape is a breathable tape typically utilized when ghosting of tape lines is a concern, or when full system breathability is desired. Installing Overwrap is straightforward. Print side up, and let Overwrap's Lay-Lite technology go to work. Stagger the ends and apply the tapes. SST and MVP utilize commercial adhesives for maximum strength and durability. Both tapes are designed for a one-and-done approach for the duration of a commercial project. Clean registration marks make the overlap and taping exercise a breeze, and your protection goes down fast. The MVP tape may be applied on either overlapped or butted Overwrap seams. Follow application of the tape with a weighted roller to ensure a complete bond. Throughout a project, Overwrap is easily repaired with the appropriate tape. While paper protection often scuffs the finish off the floor, the Overwrap fabric protects your floor finish. Thank you for listening and for choosing Overwrap protection for your site. Visit us at overwrapprotect.com to request your sample or purchase Overwrap from our distributor network.